Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a premium grooming tool that's designed to elevate your shaving experience, the Braun Series 8 electric shaver. This sleek, high-tech razor promises to give you a close, precise shave with some cool features that cater to every part of your face and grooming routine. Let's take a closer look and see if it lives up to the hype. The Braun Series 8 is engineered to make your shaving routine smoother and more efficient. The standout feature here is its 40-degree swiveling head and 4 sonic-powered shaving elements designed to adapt to the contours of your face. These features are meant to ensure a close, gentle shave, even in those tricky areas like under your chin and around your nose. When it comes to precision, the ProTrimmer is a game changer. It helps capture fine hairs and is especially effective for sideburn shaping and areas where hair tends to be stubborn. If you're someone who likes to get every hair in place, this is a nice touch. The razor also includes 2 premium accessories, a 5-in-1 SmartCare center for daily maintenance and a mobile PowerCase, which allows you to shave for up to 60 minutes without needing to recharge. I've been testing the Braun Series 8 for a few weeks, and here's my experience. The shaver is incredibly easy to incorporate into your routine. The swiveling head allows it to glide smoothly over your face, adapting to your unique contours without any discomfort. It's especially efficient around the jawline and under the nose, areas where many electric razors tend to struggle. The ProTrimmer does a solid job of getting those fine hairs that other razors miss, making it perfect for precision shaving, especially around sideburns or the goatee area. It's a small but significant feature that really enhances the overall shave. When it comes to usability, the razor feels solid in hand. The design is sleek, yet the build quality feels sturdy, and I never felt like it might slip or cause discomfort. Plus, the fact that it's waterproof means you can easily rinse it after use, adding a layer of convenience. However, there's a slight downside to the size of the mobile PowerCase. It's a bit bulky, so while it's great for travel, it can take up extra space. In terms of pros, the Braun Series 8 delivers on a close and smooth shave, with the ProTrimmer really enhancing precision in tricky areas. The 5-in-1 SmartCare Center is a great addition, keeping the razor clean, charged, and ready for the next use, so you never have to worry about maintenance. The mobile PowerCase is a nice touch if you're someone who's on the go and needs the extra 60-minute runtime. On the flip side, cons include the size of the PowerCase. It's a little bulky for my liking and might be a bit inconvenient for those with limited storage space. Additionally, while the razor does a great job on shorter facial hair, it might take a few extra passes on longer stubble or thicker hair to get the closest shave. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Braun Series 8 is definitely on the pricier side, but when you factor in its premium features, build quality, and long-lasting accessories, it's clear that you're paying for top-tier technology. If shaving precision and comfort are important to you, this is a razor worth considering. That being said, if you're on a budget, there are more affordable options out there, but they may not offer the same level of precision or longevity. In comparison to other electric razors in the market, the Braun Series 8 stands out due to its precision trimmer and advanced shaving elements, which are tailored for a gentler shave on tricky areas. Competitors may offer similar performance, but the SmartCare Center and mobile PowerCase are unique features that make the Braun Series 8 a standout in its class. As for build quality, this razor feels premium. The titanium coating helps resist corrosion, and the fact that it's 100% waterproof makes it a solid choice for anyone who values durability. The Li-ion battery is also impressive, providing 60 minutes of shaving time on a single charge. Now let's talk about customer support. Braun is known for reliable service, but I haven't needed to contact them yet during my testing. However, based on their reputation, I'd expect prompt and helpful responses if any issues arise. Finally, if you're looking for alternatives, the Philips Norelco 9000 Prestige offers a similar experience with a focus on sensitive skin and precision trimming, but at a slightly higher price point. If you're after something more budget-friendly, The Panasonic Arc Fi offers a comparable performance at a lower price, but lacks some of the additional features like the SmartCare Center. So, what's the final verdict? The Braun Series 8 electric shaver is a premium grooming tool that excels in precision, comfort, and innovation. It's ideal for anyone who values a clean, close shave with a focus on ease of use and durability. If you don't mind spending a bit extra for top-tier performance, this razor is a fantastic choice. However, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other options that might meet your needs without the added premium price. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used the Braun Series 8, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts.